How to sell stocks on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to sell stocks on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app where you can send, request, and manage your money. From here, tap on the Money tab, which is the $ icon found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you into the Money section of your Cash App account. On this page, scroll down to the More for You section and tap Start next to the Stocks tile. This brings you to your Stocks page, where you will find a section called My Investments, showing how much you have invested and your total gain. Right below that, under Stocks You Own, you will see a list of the companies you currently hold shares in. Go ahead and tap on the stock you want to sell. For example, SoFi Technologies. This opens the investment details page for that stock, showing what you currently have invested in it. From here, tap the Sell option to begin the process of cashing out your position. You will be asked to confirm your cash PIN before moving forward. Once confirmed, Cash App shows you an order summary, including the approximate share price, number of shares being sold, the sale amount, and any applicable government fees, along with your approximate total proceeds. Review these details carefully, then confirm the sale. Cash App will let you know your order has been placed and will show you when the trade is expected to execute. Thanks! I hope this tutorial helped you sell stocks on Cash App. That is, how to sell stocks on Cash App.